Hi there guys, I'm just coming to you with another video, and as you can tell by the title, this video will be about doing glass nails with no acrylic, and it's a nail hack that I absolutely cannot take credit for. I got this idea from a very wonderful lady on YouTube, and her channel name is Vanity Val. And I'll have a link to her channel in the description box below. But it's a very nice hack for people who have a hard time with the monomer to do acrylic, the smell and all that. And if you're anything like me, I have a lot of polygel, but I really cannot stand doing polygel myself. I love watching other people use polygel, but I can't do polygel myself. I can, but it just takes so much time and I don't have the patience to do it. So this hack really works well. And now you see me putting the builder gel up under the nail for strength. And so it really does strengthen the nails. And these are like press-on. They're almost like press-on nails, but they last really well. They're really strong. And I'm putting the Coty rubber gel, base gel on top, also for strength. So, guys, go over there and visit Val's channel and try this hack. It's really wonderful, and the nails come out so beautiful. They look just like glass nails. All right, guys, I'm not going to talk through this whole video, so I want you to enjoy, and I'll talk to you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.